Delhi University considers setting up Nanomedical Institute. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of the hour. This is Nitya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: Delhi University may soon set up an Institute of Nanomedical Sciences to facilitate research on diseases like cancer, sickle cell disease and diabetes. The proposal to set up the institute will come up in the meeting of the Executive Council on December 17th. Earlier, the proposal had come up during a meeting of the Academic Council and was passed despite opposition from some members. According to the document sent to EC members, INMS will be mission-driven and bring together researchers in medicine, computation, biology and chemistry from Delhi University, Wayne State of School Medicine and medical schools in the national capital. The document also states that INMS will be involved in collaborating with scientists and public health experts to address medical challenges across the world. It will work to build and sustain international consortia to spread discovery in areas including cancer, sickle cell disease, diabetes and kidney research, etc. INMS will empower a revolution in biomedicine to accelerate the pace at which the world conquers disease, it said. The document states that members of the governing body of INMS will include Secretary of Department of Science and Technology, DRDO Secretary, Secretaries of Education Ministry and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, among others. It will also include international experts from the field of nanomedicine. The job of the governing body will be to constitute an international advisory board to advise INMS on matters of special research, and its members may be those who are leaders in their fields and not connected with DU, including 1 or 2 Nobel laureates, it said. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theenn.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.